Hi, Tony Carrion with you. From November 5th to November 10th, the crypto markets underwent an intense period of volatility and selling, brought on by the collapse of the FTX crypto exchange and the downfall of its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried. In those 5 trading days, Bitcoin collapsed 28%, Ethereum declined 36%, and even big names like Cardano were down 32%, and Solana a whopping 68%. And it has continued to make new lows. Now, all of this has occurred during a period of deep pessimism in the crypto markets. As the Crypto Fear and Greed Index suggests, readings in the past month have been in the extreme fear range. And the Daily Sentiment Index for Bitcoin futures is at its most oversold reading since the lows of June, and where it remained mostly within bearish ranges. Now, although the media typically associates or blames the crypto collapse on that of FTX, when we look back in time, we see the collapse was a process already in the making. This is a chart of total crypto market capitalization going back to November 2021, when many crypto names were trading at all-time highs. From its own all-time high of 2.97 trillion, total crypto market cap has declined over $2 trillion, or about 76% in the past year. And in just that 5-day stretch, crypto market cap declined around $5 billion. Now, market cap does tend to be an indication of market sentiment. In a very bullish environment, for instance, market cap can rise to extreme levels as market participants bid up crypto prices. Conversely, when the bear has returned, market cap declines in proportion to declining crypto prices. Now, crypto market cap data does lend itself to Elliott wave interpretation. Here I've labeled a double zigzag bear market decline in market cap, which is completely in line with its 76% collapse. It's also possible to label it as complete. And given the depth of bearish sentiment that exists, it's totally possible. So we'll be very curious to see whether deep pessimism starts to give way to a more optimistic outlook on cryptos, which is what generally happens when extremes of bearishness are reached. Thanks for watching.